He's got it on, folks.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to CA Buildz. Today we'll continue working on our Audi S4. If you haven't seen the previous videos, go check them out. We got its 2014 Audi S4 from Copart. Has some front end damage right there. If you haven't seen the previous video, go check them out. We already got the body parts aligned. They're looking good. But today we'll continue working on the front end. I want to put a whole bunch of stuff together. There's actually a couple broken pulleys. Let me show you guys. This is what we got so far. Open the hood. So we got our new hood on, we got both new fenders on, new radiator support, everything looking really good. What we need to do now is actually replace the pulleys. We have a broken tension right here, broken pulley right there, and I actually found out this one has a little dent in it. So we got all of our new pulleys right here. We're gonna throw those on. And then right there, there's actually a little crack in this pipe. So we got a new one right here, got new belts. I'm gonna do all of that right now. Hopefully that goes well. After we get that done, hopefully we'll put our radiators on. Man, maybe we'll even take it for a test drive. So let's start working. We finally got that pipe off. This is our old one right here. It's where it was cracked, actually broke off already. This is our new one. So I had to put this pipe on that one. It was kind of a pain because all these are in the way right here, all the wires and sensors and everything, so it's kind of hard to get it out of there. But it came out, so now I'm gonna put the pipes on the new one and install the new one on. Okay, we got our hose back in. It's this one right here. Got everything connected again. We had to disconnect these, disconnect a whole bunch of stuff to get it back in there. Now I have to figure out our belt diagram and throw the belts on. So let's do that. Okay, our current situation is got the belt on, all the pulleys, everything. And then we got this much belt left. So, I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm not sure if I got the wrong belt, but at the same time, it looks like a pulley might be missing right here. I have no idea. I'm gonna have to do some research. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly, see if I got the right belt. Hopefully, I could just get a new belt that will fit, but I guess we'll have to check it out. I'm back and I still have the old belt. I feel like an idiot. I was running it wrong. Basically, on the old ones, there's a power steering pump that goes right there. And on the 2014 model, they took it off. It doesn't have a power steering pump. And I was looking at the diagram from the old one, trying to run it like that, but it's not how it goes. So I finally found a diagram for this model, and I'm gonna try to put the belt on now. Okay, we are good. I figured out the diagrams. Everything looks good. I can't start it just yet because our hoses and everything is disconnected. I have to put on the radiators and everything before I start it. But for now, I want to put the reinforcement bar on. So I'll put our new frame bracket on the reinforcement, and we're actually going to reuse this bracket right there. I'm gonna throw both of the brackets on the reinforcement and then throw it on the car. Change of plans, guys. This old frame bracket is actually damaged too. I thought I could hammer it out and put it on, but it's just too much and I don't think it's gonna fit right. So I'll have to go get a new one of these tomorrow and then we'll keep on working. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, next day here, we got our new frame bracket. So we're gonna put everything together and throw it on the car. Okay, I got the reinforcement on and everything lines up just perfectly. All the bolts, everything are good. Everything goes in nice. I do have to take it off because I can't put the radiators through over here. This hole is not big enough, so I have to take the reinforcement on, put on the radiators, everything that goes on first, and then throw the reinforcement bar back on. First thing I gotta do before putting the radiators is actually fix these tabs. Our radiator support came with the broken tabs, that one and this one right here. So I'm gonna try to fix it somehow. Let's do that. Okay, I repaired the tabs. It's still drying. What I actually did is I soldered little holes where the cracks were, and I filled it all in with CA Buildz, so these should hold really good. I did that side, did this side too. So once these dry up, we could throw everything on. What I'm gonna do now is actually throw everything from this set of radiators onto that one. So this cooler over here, these little brackets, all the good stuff, I'm gonna throw it on that and then throw everything on the car. Okay, we ran into another issue. So this is our old fan, that's our new fan. The motors are completely different. These are a lot bigger, the connections are different. I'm not even sure what this fan is from. Maybe an A4, maybe that's an A4 fan. I ordered it from, it said it was from an S4, but obviously not. Which honestly really sucks because now we can't really do anything. We can't put the radiators on the car without the fan being there. So it really delays us. Now we just gotta order a new fan, wait till it comes in, and then start working on it again. It sucks, but it is what it is. I'll catch you guys when we get a new fan. All right, guys, a few days have passed. I did put an order on a fan, but it actually did not come in yet. But we're not gonna wait any longer. We're gonna start paint prepping the car. We're gonna take it to the shop, start sanding everything down, filling in all the nicks and scratches. So let's load it on the trailer, take it to the shop, and start working. Okay, we got the car to the shop and we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna start sanding everything down, start sanding the bumper. The bumper actually has a little bit of damage right here. So we have to sand all that down, put some body filler, primer it, and then go onto the hood and the fender. There's actually a little dent right here that needs to get fixed. So let's start doing it. Okay, we got body filler on. It's looking really good. Now we're gonna go onto the hood and the fender, sand those down. All right, we got it sanded down, but we actually need to put body filler right there. The scratches are just too deep. Then the fender over here, we need to put a little bit body filler right there as well. All right, we got the body filler sanded. Everything's looking good. We got this little nick over there sanded as well. Now we just have to mask everything off and spray primer. First coat is down and it's looking amazing. We're just waiting for it to dry and we're gonna probably do 2 more coats on top. All right, we got everything primered down. It's looking amazing. It laid down really good. The bumper, the little fender piece right there. Everything's basically done. Now we just have to sand it all down and it's ready for paint. But we're not gonna do that today. It still has to dry. We're gonna paint tomorrow most likely. All right guys, that's a wrap for today's video. It got really late on us. I'm already back home, but everything's turning out amazing. The Audi's turning out really nice. Now we just need to sand everything down and paint it. I'll either be doing that in the next video or we will be revealing our new build. That thing is super sick. You guys don't wanna miss out on it. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.